How to challenge someone in 8-ball pool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Challenging another player in 8-ball pool lets you invite friends or specific players to a private match. To do so, open the 8-ball pool application and sign into your account. Once you open up 8-ball pool from the main screen, go ahead and tap on the friends icon at the bottom left, and right here in the friends tab, you can go ahead and look for the person you want to challenge, and you'll see a little green challenge button at the bottom. You can challenge your friends or go to your suggested friends tab and select someone you want to challenge. After you find someone, tap on the challenge button in green, select the city on the next page, and then you'll be able to send the challenge request. Once they accept your challenge, the match will begin. So that's how you successfully send a challenge in 8-ball pool. Once your friend or if they accept, you can start your match and enjoy the game together. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.